Today is going to be a bit of a little of a journal club case. I found this to be a really interesting case report as I actually recently had a case of what's going on here. So obviously there are 3 tattoos, and these are 3 separate patients, and each of them developed rapidly growing lesions after getting tattoos. And these lesions appeared as brown papules that were located on the tattoos themselves. And the lesion on the scorpion was from the shoulder, and this tattoo up on the top right was from the arm, and the one on the bottom right was from the flank. And this was the article that was written in 2011 in the Archives of Dermatology, and it was titled Human Papillomavirus-Induced Lesions on Tattoos May Show Features of Seborrheic Keratosis. Now, it's well known that lesions that resemble seborrheic keratoses on the genital region often harbor HPV DNA. But it's not really well described of showing HPV DNA in non-genital seborrheic keratosis-like lesions. And when we look at the histology of these lesions in these 3 patients, they're all very similar. In the first lesion, you see a reticulating acanthotic epidermis with mild papillomatosis, this like block-like, this castle wall-like papillomatosis, or flat-top papillomatosis that's typical of seborrheic keratosis. This was from another of those tattoos, a very similar appearance with this flat-top papillomatosis and this reticulated and acanthotic configuration. And the third lesion, again, showed similar features with even a pseudo-horn cyst. So, of these 3 cases, these 3 cases were examined for the presence of HPV DNA. And of the first 2 cases, HPV DNA was isolated. In the scorpion, HPV 57 was isolated, and in the other tattoo, the second tattoo, HPV 2 was isolated. So I thought this was a very interesting article, since I had a recent case of this, of a similar phenomenon, and I suspect that there are more cases out there in practice, but just haven't been reported. I hope you enjoyed this talk. Thanks.